Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password to Honor 600. So the best solution to this issue would be reaching out to Honor customer support service and asking them for their help, as they will be able to help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from it, in case you can provide them with some proof of the ownership of this smartphone. And in case you cannot do this, you're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation on your device, which will erase all data from your smartphone. Now, to perform this operation remotely, you have to enter web browser on any other device that has internet access around you. So it can be your laptop, it can be your PC, it can be your tablet, your other smartphone, etc. And after that, you're gonna have to access the Find Hub website, which is the official Google website. There you're gonna have to sign into your Google account, the one that is linked with your Honor 600 smartphone. Go to the devices list and find your Honor 600 here, and then select Factory Reset Device. And once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again, and in case you backed up your data previously, you'll be able to restore it. Now, the other way to resolve this issue is to perform the factory reset operation locally. In such case, you're gonna have to connect your device to either a PC or a laptop using a USB-C cable. Then you're gonna have to turn off your smartphone. So hold down power button and volume up key, select power off, confirm. Wait until your device is shut down, and after that you're gonna have to press and hold the power button and volume up key at the same time, either until you see the Magic OS menu on your screen or until Honor logo disappears from it. Okay, and right now, in order to perform the factory reset operation locally, you have to use volume up and volume down to navigate, power button to select, and this way navigate and select clear, and navigate to and select the clear data option, and then follow the instructions. However, if you do remember your device's password, but you are simply not able to use it to unlock your device, we can also outrule one additional issue caused by some third-party application or background activities interference with the lock screen, which cause your device to simply lag, and which makes you unable to unlock your phone. And this issue is outruled by entering the safe mode and unlocking your device in the safe mode. So let's try to do it this way. And once the device is restarted in safe mode, you can try unlocking your device once again, and in case you succeed this time, go to Settings, then scroll down to Biometrics and Passwords, open this menu and select Disable Lock Screen Password. Enter your password once again to confirm, and then restart your device into normal mode by pressing power button and volume up key, selecting Restart and letting your device reboot. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.